for, is it the Modern Fowler Scrum? It is the Modern Fowler Scrum. It's a Thursday. We have Sam, we have Pat, we have Paul, we have Lara. Let us start with, Lara was technically first in. So let's go with Lara. How are things going with you?
All right, thanks. Okay, so just from my side, I haven't been doing much coding or stories, or I've just had so many client requests that I've had to be dealing with. This morning, I tried to go through some of the mobbing sessions, but I'm still a bit behind on that. Just had a Craft Academy Scrum and just working on some other client deliveries.
All right, good stuff. Thanks, Lara. Let's go to Pat. Pat, how are things going with you?
Good, thank you. So yesterday, I think I just worked on Net Plus, excuse me, a little bit. I had a pair programming session with Sagu on how to review PRs. A good discussion. Had a subsequent pair programming session with Vijay and Hinesh, focusing on pull requests that Vijay is working on that she had problems with. And I'm continuing to work a poke at when I find time the Cucumber test performance. So I'm looking to enable insights, work on that today, and maybe do some test performance profiling. And that's it for me.
Great. Thanks, Pat. No blockers so far. But Paul, how are things going with you?
Oh, well, okay. Yeah, I've been working on an enhancement or a change to the job search on Net Plus. And I want to actually show Patrick what I've done so far, just to make sure I'm on the right track with it. Because I'm a bit new to JavaScript.
Yeah, we can do that after the Scrum, Paul. We can connect up.
All right, so good stuff. Nothing blocking you otherwise, Paul?
No. Oh, I was having trouble with the email validation. I saw that. So general
issue. Yes. All right. Thanks for the update, Paul. Matt is also here. Hey, Matt, how are you doing?
Oh, good. Let's see what's going on. I'm working on fixing the bug I introduced with the last update of the project. And it's a little more complicated than I thought, because it's the current job updates a user commits table in the, so I'm having to add another job to update the project table, because there's a problem updating two tables in one place because it was raising errors and not updating the second table.
Right.
Yeah, so I realized I had to make a new
well, yeah, I think that you could make a new thing there, or the way in which you catch the errors, like that it calls three different things. You could be catching the errors separately in order to ensure that the
I tried that and it couldn't get it to work, so I figured I would just refactor the whole thing actually and rename the job and the reg task into.
Okay, yeah, that's good too. I mean, I think we certainly
it'll look
make
nice.
it completely clear that this does one thing and this does another thing. That's good too. Yep, fantastic.
Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now.
All right.
Then after that I'll find something else. So all good.
All right. So nothing blocking you then?
No.
Cool. Good stuff. Which leaves me. So working backwards, continue to work on my DevOps talk for the DevOps conference, which is sort of going into its second day now. Yeah, I've been blogging about that this morning, sorting. Yeah, it's just logistics this morning. Yesterday, yeah, more pairing with Dree on local support deploy. Their Dree GitHub push integration is still it's in alpha. We're still working to get that to work. Yeah, spending time on that. But yeah, I'm starting to feel calmer now that I have I think the talk basically wrangled under control. We'll see where we go with that. Yes, not blocked on anything. There's I realize now that we've actually we can support multiple bots now, so and more integrations. We have a lot more breathing room in the current Slack instance. Yeah, I guess the key thing for me, yeah, I need to push on with website one and the async voter and just sort of set up the channels for more money coming in and more like more sort of automated support for projects to get voting on stories and tickets. The other thing on my mind is trying to adjust the websites so that they have more of a call to action to say sign up, join a project, just get involved and get that message out there. Other things coming up. What is it? Today is Thursday, and the things that are happening are me giving my talk, and then tomorrow we've got the local support client meeting and also the Autograders Beta Sas's client meeting. So busy. Yeah, that's my update, and that is our Scrum. Oh, also mob programming happening today as well. There we go. Yes, that was. I knew there's something else. But yeah, I think that's it. Anyone else? Well, anything on anyone else's mind? Anything else we need to coordinate?
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
Well, Paul and I will connect up afterwards. Maybe in a separate session then.
Sounds good.
I was
go
going to say Sage Ross is holding a technical overview of the Wiki EDU project at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time US. Which is what am I? I'm 5 hours behind UTC. But anyway, Sam, if you do another Scrum, I'm sure you will, another one or two. You may want to mention that as a reminder to people. He's going to post some messages to Slack channels as well later.
He's doing that today, like in association with the America Scrum, or?
No, it's separate. So it's a half hour after the America Scrum.
So half hour after the America Scrum. That's the way to. Okay,
yeah,
I'll mention that. Okay, great. And I just can you all see like me and my screen at the same time?
Yes.
This is like a new thing.
It's really annoying.
Yeah, I'll stop it then. Sorry. This is someone else giving a talk at the conference was using this is like a $1.50 app on the App Store that allows you to when you basically keep a video feed of you on the top of whatever you're showing. So like I'm going for my where are they gone? Talk slides. It's like fade window. Just getting used to this. Now the window's faded out and I can't see it. Anyway, but look there, you can see this. There's a slide for my talk. Anyway, so I need to test and get that working. That's done. Although not working exactly like I'd like it. I was going to say, Lara, you did that analysis for the Craft Academy website, which I thought was great. Which reminds me of the Marufa from Marketing's done that analysis, which I guess next Monday or Tuesday we'll all go through it together. Your input will be very much appreciated.
Sure thing.
Okay, so that's us. Mob programming is in 4 hours and 20 minutes. So see Matt and Lara there. And Matt, you don't need any additional help now with the website one or anything?
No, I mean I got to take my kids to school, but then I was gonna maybe I'll start a hangout just in case.
Sure. Yeah, sounds good. I'm going to be around just working on my talk. Yep.
Okay.
Cool. All right. I think we're done. And here I'm still working out how this. Sometimes when I change windows with the, it kind of goes into this background mode here. Anyway, feel free to leave now. I think we're all. I mean, or hang out and watch me play with my thing that I can't help. Heads up.
That's pretty cool app.
It's not. I'm not sure. I think there's something about when I do Command Tab and I change between different windows, it sort of goes into like a default background floaty mode that I can't work out what it means. But oh well. Can't get back to it. It's kind of hidden. Oh, I can mirror myself. I can have more than one window.
Cool. Not bad for $1.50.
Here you go. All right, have fun, guys.
Okay, see you.
Okay, bye now.
Bye now.
Look for a link, Paul.
Okay, good to that.
By pressing okay. I can kind of fade it out if I want to, like that. Okay. To make it the option. Okay. Right, I guess that's by pressing each one of those keys. And now we have it there. All right. Well, that's our Scrum. I don't suppose anybody else is necessarily going to turn up, but I can still just practice part of my talk here at the end. That's the wrong thing. Can I change the size? I thought I was just changing the size of that before. I was able to move it around before, and now I can't. It is locked in this place. That seems unfair. Oh, anyway, end of the session. Bye for now.